Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. For today's video, we're going to be using my square extra short soft gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop and the link to them will be down below. We're doing a really simple, easy pink look today. All I'm doing here is going in and sizing out my nails, just making sure that they fit wall to wall. Now we're going to go ahead and use poly gel for this video. It looks purple on the bottle, but it's actually this like perfect pink color. And as you guys know, I always use alcohol as my quote slip solution. Alcohol has just always worked the best for me, so I'll be using alcohol and this Ohuhu poly gel. All the links to everything will be down below in the description. You can purchase the Ohuhu poly gel on Amazon. Last time I checked though, it was kind of difficult to find this exact shade, so it might not be available, and if it's not, then I'll definitely put the link down below to one very similar in color. But all I'm doing is going in with the poly gel, putting a pea-sized amount in the soft gel full nail cover, and then flattening it out. When flattening it out in the nail, you do want to make sure that the cuticle area is just a little bit thinner than the rest of the nail. And when you apply it to the nail, you just want to clean up the perimeter, the cuticle, make sure any poly gel that oozes out around it, you clean up before going into cure. And then you do also want to flip your nail upside down and flatten the underside as well. Make sure that that's completely flat. But that's it. It's very simple, very easy. I get so many questions on if you remove the soft gel full nail cover after curing. The answer is no. No, you do not remove the soft gel full nail cover. That is what basically essentially builds the shape and gives you like a nice apex and everything. So you do not, it's almost like a gel-X like dupe method. So you do not want to remove it. You want to remove like dual forms. Those like, yeah, but this is, no, these stay on. So once you cure, it's there to stay. But yeah, I'm just going to do the same thing to the rest of my nails. Little hack to eliminate time that your hand is in and out of the UV lamp is to do multiple nails at once and then go in and cure. So as you can see, typically for me, I do my 4 fingers, go in and cure, do my thumb separately, cure that separately, and then I do put my whole hand in the lamp and cure for a final time. Alright, so now I'm going in with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and I'm just wiping down my nails really quickly before we begin filing. I'm using this 80/80 grit file. This one I purchased it in bulk from Amazon. Best nail files I've ever used to date. If you've never tried an 80/80 grit nail file, give it a go. You typically get like the 100 and 180 grits in like nail kits and whatnot. Give 80/80 a try, or even 60/60. Like, just give different grits a try and find the one that you prefer. But 80/80 is like life-changing. Definitely worth the buy. Alright, so since the soft gel full nail covers are pre-shaped, that's the beauty of them. It does the shaping for you. So filing time is very minimal. If you have problems shaping like I do, definitely give them a try. Link to them will be down below. But I'm just going in with my no wipe top coat, applying that to my nails and then curing. This is the Magic White Chrome Powder. This is in the shade White. I don't know if it's still available for purchase, and honestly it's so hard to find a dupe because it's like a pure pearl white, and it's so hard to find a pure pearl white that doesn't have like that iridescent undertone. This has a really like white undertone, like a opal finish. I purchased it off of Amazon, and this was like before the whole Hailey Bieber glazed donut nail trend went viral. Like I had purchased this a while ago, and then when that trend went viral, I was like, oh shoot, let me go stock up on it, because I could tell like where this was going, and I haven't seen it in stock since. Maybe it is now, I haven't looked in a while, but if it is, I'll be sure to leave a link down below to it. Other than that, I really couldn't even find a dupe for you because I've never used anyone but that one. It's my favorite. So if you can get your hands on it, definitely worth the purchase. Definitely a nail art staple. Alright, so now I'm going in and applying my final top coat. This is a basic top coat, but you can use the no wipe top coat again if you'd like. After I apply my top coat and cure, that's when I go in and clean up with a alcohol lint-free wipe. Just clean up around the cuticles, any excess powder. And final step, my favorite, cuticle oil. Definitely want to make sure you're investing in an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. But here's the final look. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!